welcome to an ocean view balcony on board the Wonder of the Seas. So as you walk in, you have a nice spacious entry with a full-size mirror to your right. This room is located all the way forward on the port side. We are just behind the solarium, so we have easy access up to the solarium and also the wing, which I'll show you. As you enter the room, you have a very spacious bathroom. Definitely enough room for one, maybe even two people. And as far as the shower, pretty spacious as well. Coming into the bedroom area, we have the bed first here in this cabin. So we have our first closet. Safe over here. It's a little bit small, probably just big enough for passports and cash. Definitely no electronics in there. And then we have 5 shelves, some hanging storage, and 2 drawers. On each side of the bed, we do have a small little nightstand with a USB and just a regular US standard plug with some lighting, some reading lighting. We have some handy hooks here on the wall. So if you're an experienced cruiser, you probably have your magnetic hooks that you bring along with you. It's nice that they added that touch there. And then on this side, you have your full closet. So double shelves for hanging. And this room does sleep 4. So this bed will turn into a double. And you can either situate it as a trundle, so somebody up here and just pull out the bottom section, or you can actually lift up the bottom section and 2 people can sleep on like a full-size bed there. In this section over here, we have our little desk nook, so perfect for some makeup or some work that you need to get done when you're traveling. We have the 2 US ports and then actually 3 US ports, and then 2 Euro plugs and 2 USB-Cs there. And over here we have 2 drawers up top, actually 4 drawers on the side, 1 drawer up here, and then a mini cooler. So it's not huge. It's definitely not a refrigerator, so if you have any medication, make sure you ask them for an actual fridge. This is just a cooler, not an actual refrigerator. All right, so heading out onto our balcony, I really do like this. It seems very airy and open. This window is definitely big. Sliding it over, we have a very spacious balcony out here. Definitely big enough for 2 lounge chairs, a table in the middle. Again, we are located all the way forward, so you can see the bridge just below us. And then we are one of 5 ships in port today here at Port Canaveral. So that sums up our ocean view balcony here on board the Wonder of the Seas. If you'd like to book a cabin like this or any other cruise line, please give us a shout at Paul and Ashley, Magic Vacation Planners on Facebook. And if you're new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button.
Thanks for watching and safe travels.